Respected teacher and all student, I am here to giving a presentation on the topic of select any product and prepare it cost. My name is Manish Vishwanath Matre. So let's start first slide. Introduction of my product. I am taking a Dettol disinfectant solution or soap for my project. Dettol is a British brand of cleaning supplies and disinfectant owned by Reckitt Benckiser. It is invented in 1933. They sell a variety of different forms of household sanitary cleaner, ranging from thin musk spray disinfectant to wipes. Dettol is a trade name for a line of hygiene product manufacture. It has been in use since before the 1950 years. Washing away germs and impurities every day is crucial in maintaining good health and hygiene. Then we know some cost sheets of my project. Cost sheet is a statement prepared to show the various elements of cost like prime cost, factory cost of production and total cost. It is prepared at regular interval, for example weekly, monthly, yearly, etc. In some cases, comparative figures of various periods are also shown in cost sheet so that assessment can be made about the progress of a business. Here the slide I am showing aim of my project. There are 4 points in that. First, to study about what is cost sheet. Second, to understand cost sheet of product. Third, to understand about their use. And fourth, to understand advantage and disadvantage of cost sheet. My first slide represents a literature review of my product or cost sheets. First point, Phil Carroll, in his book on how to control production cost, stresses the need for improved cost analysis and control by business to secure reasonable profit expectation. The book points out various inaccurate and illogical cost accounting techniques used by many companies. Second point, great emphasis is placed upon the need for more detailed cost accounting, depicting actual conditions so that good judgment can be applied to control and reduce cost. One is made aware of need to allocate properly the cost for of rework, expensive machines, work, and storage areas, and similar items to the specific product requiring them. The use of average figure of for overhead is glared upon because the individual effect of component factor might be hidden if they tend to counterattack each other. My third literature review is Charles T. Holmgren, professor of accounting at the Stanford Graduate School of Business, credited with intensive modern-day cost management practice known to everyone as Chuck. Holmgren was introduced into the Accounting Hall of Fame and was honored repeatedly for his contribution to the American Accounting Association in 1969, for which he served as president and director of research. His textbook of cost accounting, a managerial emphasis, which is now in its 14th edition. It is just one of the several of his books that have shaped the education of generation of accounting students of the whole world. My fourth point is Holmgren. Holmgren was credited with changing traditional accounting education in 1960s years. From cost accounting to overwhelming emphasis on accumulation and calculation of product cost to managerial accounting, which explores the uses of cost of various purposes, wrote Thomas Burns, a professor at Ohio State University and chairman of Accounting Hall of Fame when Holmgren was named to the hall in 1990. My next slide is brief description of project. So I am here to explain you what is cost sheet. What is a cost sheet? Is a report on which accumulate all of costs associated with a product or production job. A cost sheet is used to compile the margin earned on a product or job and can form the basis for the setting of price or similar product in the future. Then I am explaining you what is the advantage of cost sheet. First, it indicates the breakup of total cost by element, example material, labor, overhead, etc. Second, it discloses the total cost and cost per unit of the unit process. Third, it facilitates comparison. Fourth, it helps the management in fixing selling price. So there are many advantages of cost sheet. And here my next slide is explain you what is disadvantage of cost sheet. It is lack of uniformity, means cost accounting lack a uniform procedure. Then it is very costly. It is ignorance of futuristic situation. It is lack of double entry system and it is developing stage. This is the chart of my material and their price of total. So there are particular material are acids, chemicals, perfume, labors expense, direct expense, and here their price. This is the packaging rates. There are profit on sale of cost. My next slide represents the cost sheet analysis. There are selling and distribution overheads. There are seven selling and distribution overheads: advertisement, delivery vehicle, petrol, packaging rate, depreciation, rent, power, and there is the value of this. Information about my savings. With the help of factory overhead, administration overhead, and selling and distribution overhead, we can characterize the cost sheet and the total sales of Dettol soap factory is 10551700. With the help of this information, we can easily identify profit volume ratio, breakdown point in rupee, breakdown point in a dollar, etc. On to better understanding, we can say that PVR is 70%. On my next slide represent the fixed cost include rent, power, insurance, and supervision salary of ceilings. Here I am explaining you actual procedure I am followed. First we calculate information about our project, collect cost sheet of product and other information. Then I am asked to teacher about how to make report. Then we collect more information about project. Then we make report on our project and then check that report and presentation. So it is the output of micro project. First develop the comprehensive business plan and prepare plan to manage the enterprises effectively. It is skill develop learning out of this micro project. We understood what is cost sheet about product and we learn their advantage and disadvantage. So my next slide is application of future improvement. Uh, it is very helpful for our future improvement. The determining selling price, facilities the managerial decision, disclosure of profitable and unprofitable activities, find out exact cause of change in profit, and preparation of budget. So my last and next slide is represent you the reference of sellers in the market, and there is a side of sellers in the market. So thank you.